In today's video, I am going to show you how to limit product quantity on Shopify. This is useful for managing limited stock, preventing bulk purchases, and keeping inventory under control. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify official website. Click on the login button and sign in using your Shopify store email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Products. From there, select the product you want to limit. After opening the product page, scroll down to the inventory section. Here you'll be able to manage stock quantities for that product or its variants. Click on the inventory quantity field and enter the maximum stock amount you want available for customers. Shopify will automatically stop sales once the inventory reaches zero if inventory tracking is enabled. To make sure this works correctly, check that the track quantity option is turned on. This allows Shopify to monitor stock levels and prevent overselling. If your product has variants like size or color, you can set separate quantities for each variant individually. Once you've updated the quantities, click Save at the top or bottom of the page to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully limited product quantity on Shopify. Managing inventory properly helps create a better shopping experience and keeps your store organized. Thanks for watching.